It's moving day here in the LTBA, Quartzsite, Arizona, and we're on our way to pick out our winter spot. And yeah, last move of the summer. And it is hot, 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 hot. There's still very few people out here, but they're going to start showing up pretty soon. So we got moved today just ahead of the hurricane now that's supposed to head through towards Los Angeles this weekend. And look at that show we're getting tonight. Holy cow.
River. Puddles forming from us all the way down that way. But it's rainy.
So last year we were camped right back over there. And we're camped right back up to this wash. And nobody can get back here, back in here behind us, which is why we like this area. We got a lot of campers way out there. That place to fill up. Ooh, this wind is coming in hard. Wow. Well, there's a tropical storm winds. Hilary, as she goes up towards California. We're at the LTDA South in Quartzsite at our winter location. You can see zero visibility around us. And it's kicking pretty daggone good. It's coming right into the butt end of sunshine, so she's gonna be alright. As boy Mickey's traveling over there, and we're fixing to get ready for our camping buddies to come on out for the winter and share this area with us. Yeah, buddy.